O niguo gukuhanaga barabara-ini cia tauni ya Naikuru. Wonjoria, arutwo, ona atongoria meyumiririe kwamukira njorua iria ritwa riao ritambite thii yothe Peter Tabichi. Gikeno giki gitwaritwo makiria ma kilomita 40 nginya cukuru-ini wa Keriko kuria Tabichi athomithagia, na guku kiheo kia President Gukinya gia shiringi milioni 20 kianeanwo.
This caring servant of God has taught us, I think, more than anybody else in the recent past. He has taught us humility. He has taught us professionalism. He has total integrity. He is responsible and therefore totally reliable.
Na to uguo tu, atongoria a uteti kuma kaunti ino mauga cukuru ucio riu ni ukuheo bathi ya guteithiriria ng'endo cia ciana na arimu.
The county government of Nakuru, we are happy and privileged to be the host for the teacher who has won the Global Teacher Prize. We appreciate that out of the whole world, from Australia, from Asia, from Europe and the whole of Africa, everybody who wanted to participate on behalf of the teaching fraternity, they all participated. But after looking at all the people who had enrolled, we are happy to say that Mokaya was the best teacher.
Nakio kiama kia arimu a secondary kupet kiugite riu ni gigukorwo gigithomithia mwana o umwe kuma kaunti ciothe bururi-ini hari kiririkano kia mwarimu ucio. Tabichi o ringi neugite kiheo kia mwanya kiria araheirwo ni kia arimu othe bururi-ini.
Huu ushindi si wangu. Vile mmesema ni ushindi wa kila mtu. Ni ushindi wa wanafunzi, ushindi wa Wakenya, ushindi wa Afrika yote.
Mwarimu uyu atwikite kiheo kia mwanya kuri bururi uyu na muno aikari a kaunti ya Naikuru. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, gitagwo muitiriri wa ngari.